Guys, good evening. Barbero sa umaga, pintor sa gabi. Pintora ta guys, kay maranis tong balay guys, bulindot guys.
Pa, may sakit ako ngayon.
Sige lang. Malas na ino ng
Baga kayo pa. Hindi baga kayo.
It's game day with Bet88 Sports.
Bet88.ph. Taas ng lagnat, ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Uy! Wow! Sorry ni
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
Barbero sa umaga,
Mag-ingat sa dehydration.
pintor sa gabi.
Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
From Tyson. This is fried chicken. And here's one from Food Panda with 100 pesos off. Now that tastes like a good deal.
Straightening, color, curling. Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause and reverse the signs of damage. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair with bioprotein care that penetrates hair strands. Reverses the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just pause, reverse, and hit play. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Lack of growth nutrients can slow down bone growth. Give him Pediasure Plus with more growth nutrients versus regular milk to support strong bones and 1.5 times faster growth and increase.
Also available for teens. Promise babe, hindi ka mabibitin. With Bet88, hindi ka mabibitin sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in and out na nanalo mo. Ibang swerte mo. Bet88.ph. Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Dito muna kayo ha. Bakit? Ito na para sa kanya. Kung mag-iingat ka.
Ang hirap ng trabaho nito. Pintor na, barbero pa. Good evening guys. Bye bye. Dako-dako magpinturan.